Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews, and your girl added fitness to the channel, so make sure you check that out as well. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and we gonna be right back.
Keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that pump. That natural beauty. Yeah. If you could see it from the front till you see it from the back, back till you see it back, yeah. Back till you see it from the back, back till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front till you see it from the back, yeah. You like it thick, you like it fat, yeah. Keep on wanting more. He asked me, told you where you at, huh? They don't wanna know how long it take to pull my pants up. Poke a finger, and then some. Tryna squeeze into my true religion, that numb. Celebrate, don't wanna say you like it. I don't buy it with the say you like it. He said the body unbelievable. Can't trust a big but then a Gemini. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty. She keep that pump. That natural beauty. Yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back till you see it back, yeah. Back till you see it from the back. Back till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back.
Bring that ass over, Doja, bring it back. I'm a big dog tryna eat the kitty cat. I'ma slide in the way it fit, I can tell we match. All about my racks, hella cheese, I don't for rats. Big crib in Hollywood, I don't even that. Come relax, let it attack, cause you wanna act. Take a look with the pop, like the.
So welcome back. Today's unit was sent to me by Sensationnel, so thank you for kindly sending me this gorgeous new unit. This is from their WhatLace collection. It's the Cloud9 Swiss lace wig, 100% premium fiber. It has an HD lace. Keep them guessing, girl. And it's a 13x6 natural density. It's in the style Jayla, and I got it in the color Flamboyage Gold. And this is what the front of the stock card is looking like. I believe this is the same color that the model is wearing. That's what it looks like. This stock card is huge, y'all, but this is what the middle of the stock card is looking like. It has a hairline illusion lace. It's an undetectable flawless hairline, and it does come in a bunch of other specialty colors, and this is what the colors are looking like. It's a pre-plucked natural density undetectable flawless hairline, perfect hairline with baby hair along the hairline, pre-custom unit, protective style, no leave out necessary. So as you guys saw earlier, the only thing that I did with this unit was that I cut the lace. I actually cut it on my head this time. A few times in the past, well, in the past I typically would just cut the lace off the unit, but I have a 4K camera and I started noticing that you can see the lace, and I was like, I need to step my game up a little bit and do a little bit better. So I did go in with my Fenty foundation, just the powder. I went in with a brush, and then I actually went in with the sponge as well, just to make it a little darker to match my skin complexion. And then I put the lace on, and it's tight, y'all. This cap is on the smaller side, so just keep that in mind. I put the lace on, I cut it while it was on my head and tried to give it a little bit of a jagged edge. And I also cut as close to the hairline as possible. I did leave the baby hairs there, but I feel like I may have cut a couple by mistake, but it turned out great for me. I did not glue this unit down, so I am happy about that. This is a glueless unit, and I feel like I did a pretty good job, y'all. I did go in at the hairline with my foundation, and then I went in again and just went in along the hairline with the color of the roots just a little bit, and just blended them both in just to give it that more natural effect. And I am loving this unit. I'm loving the curl pattern, the nice little crimps. The hair texture is really soft. I do feel like it does give you natural density vibes. It is a, I don't know, I feel like it's a little, like you can see it, you know? You can see through it a little bit. So the density isn't bad, but this unit may get bigger and bigger over time because of the curl pattern. It does have 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. The cap size is on the smaller side, so just keep that in mind, you guys. I did have to go in with my combs and hold them in, but I wanted it nice and tight because I didn't want to glue this unit down. So I do not have an official price for this unit yet. It is not available online. I just tried to look. I don't see it on anyone's website. But hopefully by the time this video comes out, I should have a Google link in the description box below. I will also update the title once I find out how much it is and put, like, you know, under 50, under 20, well, not under 20, but you know what I mean, under whatever, or $30 wig, something like that. I will put that in the title so you guys will know the price range for it, but I will also have a Google link in the description box below. So hopefully this unit will be out soon. But I am loving the color. It's very, very pretty. I'm loving this unit, and this is definitely giving like summer work vibes. I think I'm going to be wearing this unit in the office. I really, really do like it. I wish it was a human hair blend though, but you know, that just means extra care for me for the wig. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. This was a quick, easy, fun video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time.